Yo guys, quick unboxing lang. This is something from Attaché. Ayan siya. Ang pangalan nitong pair na to is Paseo Sandals. Ayan yung details. So this one is under their Foot Anywhere line. Attaché of course is a local brand. Initially puro bags yung ginagawa niya. Then naglabas sila ng clogs. Ito yung parang sandals nila na gawa sa genuine bovine leather. Ayan siya guys. So for context lang, kaya tayo naka-voice over ngayon kasi biglaan tong unboxing na to. I wasn't able to bring with me my microphone and yung lens na gamit ko is a 50mm. Tapos wala pa akong tripod, so anything goes na lang. But yeah, again, this is the Paseo Sandals from the Foot Anywhere line of Attaché. Available now dito sa Unbox Green Hills, box number 64.